Good morning everyone, and this is John Michael Mercado of Group 4, and this is my report. On Holy Monday, March 25, during a ship voyage, a reporter recounts an unexpected fall into the sea while fishing. The reporter managed to grab the mainsail rope and was rescued by a small boat. Attributing his survival to divine mercy, the ship then sailed toward a group of 4 islands: Senalo, Inyongyan, Ubuson, and Abarien. By March 28, after spotting a fire on an island, the ship anchored near it. A native boat approached, and through an interpreter, the captain exchanged gifts with the locals. Soon after, 2 large boats known as Balanghay arrived, one carrying the king. The king, understanding several languages, communicated with a captain interpreter. After some cautious interactions, the captain was offered gold and ginger, but he graciously declined. The next day, the captain sent the interpreter to ask the king for food, emphasizing their peaceful intentions. The natives accepted the gifts eagerly and departed. About 2 hours later, 2 large boats called Balanghay arrived, carrying the king in the larger boat. The king remained at a distance while his men came aboard. The captain greeted them with great respect, offering gifts, and the king offered gold and ginger in return. However, the captain politely declined the king's gifts. The next day, the captain sent his slave to ask the king if he had food to spare, emphasizing that we came as friends and not enemies. The king sent a boat with food, including porcelain jars filled with raw rice and large fish. The king visited the ship, bringing gifts like rice, fish, and other items, and the captain reciprocated with cloth and trinkets. The captain proposed becoming brothers with the king, which the king agreed to. In a display of military strength, the captain showed the king his armed soldiers, leaving the king impressed by the power. The captain also shared details about his long voyage and the challenges of navigating to the islands. Before leaving, the captain asked if he could send 2 men with the king to explore his territory, and the king agreed. On shore, the king greeted the captain and his companions with formal gestures. Showing respect, the scene concludes with the king leading them under a bamboo shelter.